Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to share with you a protein and iron rich breakfast recipe which is really tasty. So welcome to Sanam's kitchen. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. So to make the protein rich palak and paneer paratha, we are going to take 1 cup of chopped spinach and then 1 cup of paneer which I have crumbled. With that, we are going to add some green chili and ginger paste and cumin and coriander powder and garam masala powder. Along with that, add kasuri methi and salt to taste. Now mix everything well, and this is really simple and very easy recipe to prepare. So our stuffing is ready. We are going to let it rest for some time and we are going to prepare the dough. For that, we are going to take 1 cup of whole wheat flour, add some salt and a teaspoon of oil. Now we are going to mix this and add water and knead a soft dough like a roti. So here I am going to knead the dough until it is nice and soft and smooth. So I have drizzled some oil and we are going to let it rest for about 10 minutes. Now our dough is ready. So let's prepare the parathas. You can give this to your kids' tiffin box or lunch box, and it's really simple. So I'm going to roll big roti like flat. Make sure it's not very thin and not very thick. So this is about the size that I'm going to make. Now I'm going to add the stuffing in the center, and this is really easy way to include the spinach in your kids' diet, even if they don't like it, but they will love this recipe. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, and also hit that notification bell so you get to see my videos first. Now I have laid the stuffing in the center and I'm going to shape it like in a triangle and fold it from 3 corners like this. So shape it into a triangle. This is the simplest and easiest way to make paratha. Now you can roll it so that everything sticks well, and I'm going to now put it on the griddle and cook it until it is nice and golden on both sides. Isn't it very simple recipe, and it is very healthy. Paneer is very healthy. It has a lot of protein and spinach has a lot of iron. And what else you want in a breakfast? This is the healthiest breakfast, and you can put oil or ghee or butter and then serve it hot with some dahi, or you can also serve it with masala tea and top it off with some butter, which is optional. So how do you like this recipe? Don't forget to comment below, and look how beautiful it looks, and it is super delicious. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.